One of the things you want to do with YouTube is increase your audience, and to do that it's a good idea to increase your engagement as well. And there is something that you can do with your videos that will help. It's always a good idea to have a call to action like please subscribe, and whilst I mention that, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. You can click on the link below. But what can help is at the end of your video you can put what's called an end card on there, and you can see it here on this video. Over here is a video I can click on, and I can choose what video that is, or it could automatically select one. And over here you can click on it and subscribe, so that helps your audience subscribe, and it also sort of reminds them to do it. How do I put them on here? Well, I'm going to go to a video and do that. So firstly, I'm going to go into my YouTube studio here, because then I can see all my videos in a list. So I'm just going to click on videos here, and I'm just going to scroll down here, and let's find one that I haven't put the end screen on, and it's this one down here. I can click on it here or on this little details, this little pencil icon, and it will take me into my editing. And it's over here where it says end screen. That's what I'm interested in. If you want to know about cards, which will also increase engagement, that's for another video, and the link for that is below this video. That's another thing that's useful for engagement, having links to other videos, particularly your own ones, below. I'm going to click on end screen here, and I get templates over here. So I can have import from the latest video. I can have a video and subscribe. So this square here is showing where the video would go. This is where the subscribe would go. And these are the different options that you have. So I'm going to choose this one here, one video, one subscribe. I'm going to click, and you'll see it's now put it in the timeline here. Now you need a certain amount of time at the end, but you'll see here it's got the option here of what video do I want. It's showing best for viewer. Let's click on it. I've now got choices. Best for viewer would look and determine which one was the best for this viewer. You can have the most recent upload. You can also choose a specific video. That's something that I like to do, so I'm going to click on that. And I have got a lot of my videos here. I could search here for a video. So let me do one here that is polarize. There we go. That's the one I want. It wouldn't have been on that list because it's quite old. I'd have to scroll quite far down. I could also search for any video on YouTube if I clicked on this side. Let's choose this one. And it puts it in, and you can see it here. That's about polarizing filters. Over here, it's automatically put in the option to subscribe. Now, I can actually move these around on the screen within this box. Can you see these like stripes here? So I can move it around like that. So that might help. I could put it anywhere here. Actually covering my face might help. Let's put it back here. Let's put it down here as well. Put it back where it was before. So that's actually got the subscribe there. If I click on this, it will show me that there is a box, and when I hover over it, it will come out with more information saying to subscribe. I can add another element. I can click here. I can add a video, a playlist, a channel, and a link. If I wanted another video, I can click on it, and look, I can put another one here. So I could put a whole load here. If I don't want it, I can just click on this delete element. So the other elements I had was a playlist. So here are all my playlists, or I could search for a playlist, and these would pop up in the same way that the videos did. Let's get rid of that one. I can also add in a channel. So I can search for a channel, and I've got another channel called Shoot with Schwartz. There we go, that's me. It's a new channel, and that will pop up over here. That's why it's only got one subscriber. I actually haven't loaded anything yet, but by the time you see this, there may be more there. And the other thing I could put in is a link. So I might want to link to something else as well. So there are terms and conditions. You do have to abide by certain things. So you might want to read up on those first. If I accept it, it might take its time here, but I could link it to my website, which might actually be quite handy. So let's do that correctly. That wouldn't have helped, would it? It's an approved site. Click on apply, and that would pop up over here. And I could put a custom message. There we are. Okay, so that's good to go. Call to action. Visit, sign up, download. So let's visit. Okay, so these will pop up on the screen. And I could choose an image as well, so I could select a file for that. I'm not going to do that now, but you could actually just put in the logo into that as well. Down here is where they're appearing on the screen, and it's possible they might... Down here it's showing you the timeline of where they appear on the screen, so it's coming in at 5 minutes, 19 seconds and 4 frames into the video, which is about 20 seconds before the end. I can change it so that I can reduce the amount of time it goes on the screen there, and it will only allow me to come down to here, which is about 5 seconds. I can do the same here for this and also for this one as well. So they can actually pop up at different times if I want to. All of these will help your engagement. All of these will help you then drive traffic to your YouTube channel and hopefully get more of an audience and more subscribers, which all helps. It says I've got an image missing. I should have put the image in. Let me go and find one. So I'm here. I'm going to just select file. Let's choose this one. That pops it in there. I could delete it and put another file in. Let's click on apply. There we are. So I can now save that and we're good to go. So that's how you add the end card in. So let's take a look and see if that's worked. Let's just go towards the end of the video here, and you can see up pops my website. Here's the other video, and the subscribe will appear any moment. So if I hover over the subscribe, it gives me more info here, and I can click on that. And the same for the website. If I click on it, it tells me I can visit it, and it's also got the URL. And if I click on that, it would take me to my website. Thanks for watching. If you do like this and it's helpful, then do click on the subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay safe.